Just had a big excavator come in here about 3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
Have a look at, they've replanted the plants. Have
Yeah.
a look at that. They've all come up really big.
Big, yeah, and strong.
Because what they did is they fixed up the creek in it.
Right.
See all these rocks, they put all the rocks in
Yeah, yeah.
and fixed all that bank up.
Oh, nice.
Because that was eroding. Now the sanctuary here is 33 hectares in size. It was founded by a chap called Colin Mackenzie in 1934. And his first animal that he, well, I won't say the first animal, but he was the first to raise a platypus from birth here in the sanctuary. Now, as I say, the sanctuary is 33 hectares in size.
Yeah.
It's part of an emergency reserve of about 330 hectares. And we have what we call a canoe tree, where they chopped out the canoe out of the bark and also an oar. There's a smoking tree here.
Right.
And right at the back, way out, is the birthing tree.
Nice.
Oh.
That was women's business.
Yeah, yeah.
And we also breed here. The breeding program is the yellow helmet uneater, which is the.
Oi.
Hey. Oh, is that mine?
You left it on the table.
Oh, right, thank you.
You might need it one day.
I might do.
Okay?
Someday.
Thank you. We raise a yellow helmet honeyeater here.
Yep.
And that's the bird emblem of Victoria.
Right.
You okay?
Depois de Melbourne pássaro este.
Yeah. This guy here, that's the yellow helmet honeyeater.
Yeah, yeah.
We also breed here the orange belly parrots.
Oh, yeah, those ones, yeah.
Now they fly, you know where Werribee is?
Yes.
Whatever.
Right, they fly from Werribee to Tasmania in one hop.
Oh, wow.
They don't stop
Yeah.
on the way.
They go directly.
Jesus.
Yeah,
Amazing.
yeah, they don't stop. Now here, find them. They're all under the shelter. You've got red kangaroos in there.
The red kangaroos, yeah.
Yeah.
Probably hiding from the,
Yeah, they're in
The
the
rain?
shelter.
He's over there, man.
yeah.
In the shelters over there.
São os kangaroos em Canadá.
Yeah, now they are our biggest kangaroo. We have 44 different types of kangaroo, wallabies, potoroos, bilbies,
Yeah.
and what are the other ones?
25 espécies, então.
Yeah, it's 44 different
45.
varieties.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. Now here in Australia we have 56 varieties of parrot, cockatoos and larks. Here in Australia.
57.
Espécies.
Yeah, and would you believe they all eat with their left hand?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Todos comem com a mão esquerda.
Yeah.
Parrots.
Now,
That's echidna.
you see the echidna,
Yeah.
right? His closest relative is the platypus, believe it or not. Because they're both monotrines. Monotrines. because they lay eggs and feed their young milk.
Oh, right.
They're the only two animals in the world that do it. No other animal or bird or anything does that.
Does that.
Yeah. And the closest relative to a wombat, would you believe, is a koala.
We didn't get to see a wombat.
Didn't
I
you?
think they were sleeping. Yeah. They
Yeah,
were hiding.
they're mostly sleeping.
yeah.
Yeah, 'cause most of Australian animals are all nocturnal.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Right, so basically they sleep during the day
Yeah.
and roam at night.
When the summertime comes,
You've got a
we
cramp
had-
in your hand.
Yeah.
I know the feeling. I get them all the time.
Oh, shocking.
They are horrible. Sorry, darling.
You were saying?
When the summertime comes, we have twilight shows,
Right.
Oh.
and you can come in and
In the evening?
see of an evening, and see lots of
Yeah, animals.
Yeah.
animals.
When they all come out. Yeah.
Yes.
Now see this here? That's a sample of the dingo fence,
Right.
which is basically only made out of chicken wire and fence posts.
Yeah.
Right. Now that's the longest fence in the world. Made man fence in the world.
Yeah.
It's 5,500 k's long. It's only about
Jeez.
1,000 k's
I
short of
love
the Great Wall of China.
Dingo. Hello, Sima.
Stop.
Ah.
Up there, see?
Wow.
There's a
It's an
villa.
amazing dog. Yeah.
What's his name?
That's
Beautiful.
Ricardo.
Maliki.
Oh,
Maliki? She's a female, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now every animal,
Oh,
bird,
beautiful.
Está a filmá-la.
Yeah, tá a filmar.
Sorry.
every animal and bird in the sanctuary has got a name.
Yep.
Now, see the map of Australia there?
Yep.
That black line?
Yeah. The
That's the
dark one.
dingo fence.
Oh, right.
So it goes from the west side of Blue Mountains, and it goes all the way through Queensland, tad into New South Wales,
Yep.
and the rest down to South Australia,
South Australia.
yeah, to the Great Australian Bight. And what they say that it's supposed to keep the dingoes on the north side rather than the south side.
Right.
But the only trouble is now there's dingoes on both sides.
Well, they are
Because they
smarter.
found, along with the American wolf,
Yeah.
that the dingo got a bad reputation in the early days
Yeah,
of
yeah.
killing sheep,
Yeah.
but they only basically killed once.
Right.
Not
Yeah.
like the wild dogs or foxes that kill just for the sake of killing.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
now they've reintroduced them up in the high plains here, up in the high Alps. All good?
Yeah,
Yeah,
could be better, but it's all right.
that's all right. It's not leaking.
We've got our dingoes, and we've got 5 from another sanctuary who had a fire, and
So you
so
have to
we're
be-
looking after
Them.
their
Okay.
dingoes until they've
In the
up and
hospital
running.
here.
No, just
In there.
over here.
Now see this little white here?
Yep.
That's Ernie the eel.
Yep.
Now the eels in the creek here come all the way down from the Coral Sea.
Oh, the corals here.
You know where the Coral Sea is?
Not really.
That's the point of Australia.
You can point it on the soil?
There vem
Yeah, that's the point of Australia, right?
which is
Coral
Darwin.
Sea's up here.
Ah,
Yeah.
it's near Darwin.
Yeah, so
Darwin.
it's about 10,000 k's up. Now they'll come all the way down the east coast, come into our river systems, our creek systems, and up into these creeks here. They stick around for about 7 to 9 years. They will then go all the way back up to the Coral Sea,
Wow.
where they breed and die.
Oh,
And the process is repeated again.
The same.
Yeah. He's a very well travelled guy, that guy.
Yeah. He looks good.
Yeah. Very good eating too, by the way. Oh, that smoked eel was fantastic.
Yeah.
Come on.
Eel is nice.
Now this used to be the main supply for water for Milton.
Oh, okay.
I'll show you there. So we're just building a new toilet block there.
Oh, nice. Yep.
Because people usually get to here and they go,
We say,
that
go
way,
over there.
Yeah.
500 yards up the road. Now see that there, that reservoir?
Yep.
That was the reservoir supply for Healesville. And you can see where the pumps are.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Where they used to pump it up all the way up to the water tower. And that water tower used to supply all the water. Now this here is the main track between Warburton and Healesville.
You're still cramping.
Now it's gone from your left side to my right side now.
Yeah. It's your hands might be cold.
But it's only about 8 degrees. This guy here is over 200 years old.
Over 200.
Mine's just then.
Yeah, this one is.
It's a big boy.
Out in Australia, we have, out of the 10 most poisonous snakes, we've got about 8
Yeah.
are the most poisonous.
Yeah.
And we got the most poisonous, which is the eastern taipan.
Yeah.
How
Now,
lucky are we?
sorry?
How lucky are we?
Yeah.
Now, as I
that's
say,
nice.
we've got 56 varieties of parrot, cockatoos and galahs. They all eat with their left hand,
Yep.
except for this guy.
Oh,
Except
right.
for this guy.
This one.
It's
Yeah,
right.
he's eating with his right.
I know that he's right or
And you see he's only got 3 claws on the